Good afternoon, my friends. I am running behind today on all the stuff I need to do. I worked late and stuff, so the sun is getting ready to set, but I have to come out and spend some time in my garden. So I thought, Edward's coming out here too, so I thought, let's just come out together. And if you guys haven't had a chance to go online and look at the Maine fall colors, you should. I'll try and get some footage of it soon. Anyway, Edward's coming out. He's bringing me some plastic bins. I've got a bunch of stuff to harvest. And then we've got to start preparing the garden for winter. Hey, babe.
Hey, Madeline.
The garden is looking really beautiful. I have Swiss chard that I gotta pull and make for dinner. These radishes are actually really huge. I don't think they're your traditional garden radish. I pulled out a few of them. We've eaten them. They're really good. I planted these really just to protect the soil because the earth is modest and it likes to be covered. Otherwise it will cover itself in weeds. This is all bolted lettuce. The tomatoes are going. Hey, get out of there. Get. What are you doing? Get. But the chase is on. Anyway, these are all ready to pick, starting to pick. These are gonna be my daily beans. These are a new bean set and they're perfect size. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Anyway, I love these archways here. So yeah, this lettuce over here is all bolted, so that's got to go to the chickens. So nothing like good chicken food.
Hey, the garden feeds the chickens, and the chickens feed the garden, right?
Yes. We have some kale. That's good. This is, I think, more Swiss chard. There's green onions and beets, I believe, and then just some spring onions here that we got to harvest. Got to clean up these beds and prepare them for winter. I got some carrots that I got to pull. I've got kale to harvest. I got some peppers that need to be pulled here, and that tomato bed needs to be cleaned out. So yeah, we got to do that before we have any freezes, that's for sure. And then of course all of those need to be prepared. So we got to mow this area, and then these have all got to be torn down. These green beans are done. So we've got some work. We're not going to all do it all today, but we're going to do some of it, right?
Yeah, yeah, we got to try and tame the jungle here.
I know, right? So Look at those carrots. Aren't they beautiful? I don't know how these are going to turn out under here. Worth it. They would be. Wow, there's so many green beans still on here. Oh. Here. Thing. I'm sure we need to give it a tune-up. Broccoli that's gone. Honeybees love this though, so I don't let it go. Whoa. Chickens will like that. So as you can see, our work is cut out for us. We have a bin of carrots that you saw me pull. We have a little bit of peppers. Some of them are not even ripe yet, I know that, but pepper season's come to a close, and honestly, the rodents are gonna start getting them. And so I would rather take what I can get, put them in a bag, ripen them a little bit, and then I'll probably just put them in the dehydrator. I'm not harvesting green beans today because I'm running out of daylight, but I am gonna get some more of this broccoli flowerets off, put them in a wheelbarrow. We can give them to the chickens. So we're gonna start tearing down our garden a little bit. We still have some parts that are obviously thriving and producing vegetables still, and so I want to keep as much as I can going, but there's some things that are just done. So it's smarter for me to pull everything, you know, put some rabbit manure in there if I can, some cow manure, and then cover it with straw. And then when this section of the garden is done, and then we're done with this one, we're gonna put a fence around and let the chickens in to do some scratching and some killing of bugs and stuff like that. They love it. It's what we do at the end of the year. I still have some dill growing in this bed right here, and I have Swiss chard. I still have some tomatoes we're harvesting off of there for salads. I have some Swiss chard and beets, and I just pulled the spring onions because there's just a few. And then I have the radishes, which I talked about earlier, that are just protecting it. But it's that right there that's going to produce my dilly beans, and they're just about ready, if not ready right now. I just can't pick them this evening. So anyway, thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. This is the mark of a happy woman right here. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up for tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to support us. Give Edward a way to go for helping me out in the garden. And we more than doubled our garden space this year, so we have more than double the work to clean up for winter. So keep that in mind when you're making your gardens. But it is my joy and our pleasure to do so. So we're gonna just wrap this up, finish out our day, and go inside. Have a great day. Bye.
So, on a side note, I think I figured out where those chickens were getting out. We've had a couple chickens every day. One of the gray ones, one of our sapphire sky chickens, and then occasionally one of our buff Orpingtons, the golden color chickens. They've been getting out every day, and it has been mystifying to us as to how they're getting out. There goes Toby. He's gonna jump in there.
It's okay. What are you doing, Tobias?
But anyway, they're always out every day, and we have to wrangle them up. And so I was able to find a place over there in the corner, over here. You want to point the camera over there. So if you see, the post might be blocking it right there, but yeah, kind of over there in the very corner, you see those two blocks right there? I had to put those over there because the chicken wire had been bent up.
Oh, they were getting out there.
And I think that's where they were getting out.
You pesky hens. Look at you guys going to town.
Oh yeah, they're happy chickens.
Bon appetit. An evening snack. You guys aren't eating all your food though.
They've been fed.
Yeah, but they're laying so well. I hate to reduce their food.
I've already fed them.
I know, but they're laying so well. I'd hate to take it down to 2 scoops, but maybe we should. That's a lot of food left on the ground.
Yeah.
All right.
They're good.
Have a great night, guys. Bye.